Good morning, guys. I'm back again with one more new video. So today we're gonna talk about whenever you start your fitness journey, whether it could be losing a weight or gaining a weight or getting shredded, or achieving any kind of your fitness goal. So basically, how you can plan in a best way so that you can sustain it, and what is a best approach, and how much time you have to give to see actual changes in your body. Okay, so before we start a journey, so okay, maybe it could be losing some weight or it could be anything. First, we decide what you want to do it, and you create a plan. And once you create a plan, and you follow the plan. Okay, so this is the plan. So what I wanna explain you in this, so how you can make this as a lifestyle journey, or how you can make this as a lifetime habits. Okay, so basically I divide the overall your fitness journey into 3 stages, and you need to give minimum 12 to 18 weeks, must and should, and don't expect for any results, and give this 12 to 18 weeks, and then see the result. If you don't see any result, then you quit it. So until then, don't quit it, and just follow this what I'm going to explain you, because I have been implementing this and it is actually working. And also I started coaching people based on this methodology, and it is really working, and people who are able to adopt it much better. So out of this 3 stages, the stage 1 is building a habits, and adopting your body adoption levels, and also planning to sustain whatever you do it. So the stage 1 is building a habits. So first 4 to 6 weeks, your focus should be how you can make your plan as part of your day-to-day routine. So try different options. See, at the end, guys, if you want to go, if you want to be fit or reach your goal, you have 5 steps. Okay, you need to make sure that your diet is in point, you have to make sure that your training is aligned with your goal, and you have enough activity levels, and you have enough water, and you have enough sleep. So these are the 5 things. So first 4 to 6 weeks, don't push beyond it, and don't look for any kind of a weight loss or any kind of result in the first 6 weeks. It's not gonna happen. The first 6 weeks, your focus should be how you can adopt these 5 steps part of your lifestyle. Try different options. Every person adoption level is different. Every person likes and dislikes are different. Every person way of building setting them part of a daily schedule is different. See, try whatever options, different options, take it slowly, and concentrate on one step at a time. Focus on each one a week, and then at the end of 4 or 6 weeks, make sure that you understood all these 5 steps properly, and you are able to accommodate these 5 steps part of your lifestyle. Once you do this, the stage 1, so basically what happens in the stage 1 is your all these 5 steps is part of your day-to-day routine, and you inculcated part of it, and it is happening automatically without your knowledge. Don't look for anything. There may be a days where you will not be 100%, it's fine, and there will be off days, 1 or 2 days, it's fine. So just focus on making making these 5 steps as part of your day-to-day life. That's it. Once you make this, the next stage is adoption. The next stage is what you can say is understanding these 5 steps, and mastering these 5 steps. So first stage is building a habits, second thing is mastering a habits, and the third stage we will see it. So the next 4 to 6 weeks, the first 4 to 6 weeks is done. The next 4 to 6 weeks, you need to master each and every step. Okay, try to see how you can improve in the diet, try to see how you can improve in your weight training, and try to see how you can improve in your activity levels, and try to see how you can improve in the water and the sleep. So these 5 things, try to make sure that you 100% follow it, and your focus should be only on your day-to-day goals. Okay, when I say day-to-day goals, your focus should be only on these 5 things. Try to see each and every step how you can master it. The more and more and more you try, and figure out what is the simplest way, what is the best way you can follow it. And in this, when I say what is a mastering, in this mastering phase, you should be able to do these 5 steps irrespective of what may be your situation. Either you are traveling, either you are busy with the schedule, either you have so many obstacles. You should not give up these 5 steps. You need to take out a time and see how you can master these steps. So this is a 4 to 6 weeks, the stage number 2. And the stage number 3 is, this is where you need to go and push yourself. Each and every step, whichever we discussed in this 5, keep pushing your limits. Keep pushing your limits. Just focus on getting 1% better than yesterday. So stage 1, you're building a habits. Stage 2 is mastering the process, and stage 3 is taking to another level. So do these 3 stages. You see the result, you will be amazed. Okay, you are going with a strategy, and whatever you're gonna do, your mind accept it, whatever you're gonna do it, and then keep doing it. And once you go to across the 3rd stage, this 3rd stage will repeat again and again and again and again till you reach your goal. Okay, so when I say push your limits to one more, so you have to push your, make sure that your diet is on point, and you're pushing your limits to reach 100%. Track your macros, and everything should be on point. When it comes to exercise, keep pushing your limits, take everything to another level, keep improving day by day. And then same thing with activity, water, and sleep. It should happen automatically, and you should be keep pushing it every single day, your limits. That's where the growth happens. So there is one of the saying which I was listening in one of the podcast: if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. So this is the stage what I was talking about, stage 3. Every session has to challenge you. Every session has to push your limits, and you will be amazed to see what capacity or capability your body has it. It's all a mindset, guys. Once you set a mind and push and keep pushing your limits, you will be really amazed. That's what is happening with me right now. I never thought I have this much of potential. So what I want to say in this video is, so give time for your whatever the fitness journey, at least 12 to 18 weeks, and take it into 3 stages. Divide them into 3 stages, depends on either 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and then focus on one stage at a time. The first stage is to making the sustainable habits. So the second stage is to mastering the whatever the process you are doing, and the final stage is to taking it aggressively and keep pushing your limits and taking to the another level. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to say something about this video, please do in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends and family, and hope it will help them too. And do subscribe my channel. It's Be Fit with Arvind. And till then, be safe, be secure, take care of you and your family, guys. See you. Bye bye.